Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make authentic Chinese takeaway black bean sauce. You can make this at home in minutes and save yourself a fortune on Chinese takeaways. When you order black bean sauce or beef and black bean, indeed any type of black bean dish from a Chinese restaurant, these are the black beans that you are getting. These are industry standard. This particular carton will get you between 60 and 70 portions of black bean sauce, and it costs literally pennies. All we need for this recipe is a few simple ingredients. I'll drop everything in the description box. Some oyster sauce, some dark soy sauce, some minced garlic, some dried chili, and some cornflour slurry. This is just a tablespoon of cornflour and water to thicken the sauce up in the end when we finish it. Start off by rinsing the black beans. Don't forget these are fermented black beans, so they're very salty. We want to rinse off all the excess salt. To a hot wok, add in some vegetable oil. Don't forget all measurements will be in the description box below, and hit that subscribe button. Add in your garlic. Then we're going to add in the black beans which you have just rinsed. Use a spatula and break up some of the black beans. This will release the flavor. Then we're going to go in with a tablespoon of water. Make sure you're doing this under medium heat. Once this tablespoon of water absorbs into the black beans, we are going to add, like that, we are going to add about 300 mils of cold water. If you like black bean sauce and you've made it this far on the video, you may as well give it another 50 seconds because this sauce is nearly ready. We're going to go in with a tablespoon of oyster sauce, followed by a tablespoon of dark soy sauce to give it that lovely dark color. Did you know you can become a member of this channel? I think it costs on silly like 99p and you get the most amazing perks. You probably won't believe it. Just a final stir, turn the temperature up high, bring that sauce to the boil, add in a dash of Chinese Shaoxing Wine, some sesame oil, and we're going to sweeten it up slightly with a teaspoon of sugar. And finally, to thicken up the sauce, this is just cornflour, slurry cornflour and water. Add some of that in, give it a quick stir, and last but not least, we're going to add in some chilies. These are fresh chilies. I made a mistake earlier and says they were dry chilies. They're not, they're actually fresh. And there you have it. Lovely jubbly.